AutoCAD Online. Can I use AutoCAD 2D 3D online? AutoCAD Online software application runs in a local web browser or with a web or mobile app, unlike traditional CAD software programs installed on a local computer system. They use much of the same abilities as typical CAD software, however are updated through a remote web server as well as are obtained via a subscription, usually on a regular monthly or annual basis. AutoCAD Online is a computer-aided design software program developed by the business Autodesk, therefore the name AutoCAD. It enables you to draw as well as modify digital 2D and 3D styles quicker and also quicker than you can by hand. The files can additionally be quickly conserved and saved in the cloud, so they are accessed anywhere at any time. Use any kind of computer system. Use the web application online in your internet browser, no requirement to mount AutoCAD. Simply check out web.autocad.com and also check in to start functioning. Style anywhere. Take the power of the Autodesk cloud software program with you any place you go. Draft, edit and also watch CAD designs on different gadgets. Higher cooperation. Cut down interaction time as well as bring layout teams together in an atmosphere that uses the power of the cloud. Keep employees upgraded with the most recent designs and also plans. Structured workflows. Enhance your preparation, evaluation, and also revision operations. Track projects, add comments, share documents, and take your projects on site with on the internet CAD or using your mobile device. Cohesive AutoCAD experience. Utilize the drafting devices and also commands you're utilized too. Constructed with the original AutoCAD engine, the application gives you the precision as well as fidelity you expect. About AutoCAD Online certification. AutoCAD Online certification teaches students to create a basic 2D and 3D drawing using drawing and editing tools, organizes drawing objects on layers, adds text and basic dimensions, and prepares to plot. This course is designed for engineers, architects, interior designers, draftsmen, etc. AutoCAD Online certification's goal is to educate the individuals on extra advanced functions, on the strategy, on how to design as well as model items in the 3D design software program, enveloping surface areas as well as solids in visualizing engineering designed areas as well as solids in visualizing engineering designs. Significance of AutoCAD certification in 2021. AutoCAD Online certification is one of the most qualified and also among the most convenient methods to verify your CAD skills. There is a constantly growing demand for experts with CAD, computer-aided design, skills. This consists of universities and businesses. Every one of them is trying to find clever, proficient, as well as, ideally, qualified people. It also provides you accessibility to the Certified Expert logo. A certified AutoCAD expert is included in the Autodesk database. You can get a craft that can offer you well in the future. It offers you an understanding of the interface of design tools and likewise provides you an edge in today's extremely competitive task market. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an AutoCAD Online certification in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best AutoCAD preparation course. This certification offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Our exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for AutoCAD training every year. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 0097150525850 Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/